Hey guys, it's your girl Bianca here, and I am back with another video. This video is going to be like an updates video, just letting you guys know what's been going on. I've been putting out a lot of skate park videos, so we're gonna get into some skate updates as well as my TTA logo necklace. But I want to start out, guys, with letting y'all know that I am having freaking car issues. Oh my gosh, I know I'm having car issues, guys. So, um, if you guys didn't know, I've been like on vacation like since Christmas and New Year's. Christmas, I went to Nashville. I know you guys saw my skate park video with my niece. Hi, Nora. If you haven't, go watch that and then come back here. I took my niece to the skate park for the first time, and oh man, we had so much fun in Nashville, Tennessee. But I was in Nashville. My car was here in Maryland. We came back here. I started my car up. And then we went to Hawaii. Okay, we went to Hawaii for New Year's with my fiance's family. So I was in Hawaii for about a week. So went to Hawaii. That I had a blast in Hawaii, seeing family and stuff like that. When we got back, guys, I went to my car. I tried to start it up, and that joke was like, yeah, yeah, yeah. That joker was not turning over at all. It was in yeah, 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 like it sounded like it wanted to, but it didn't quite. It just didn't quite. So I was like, oh my gosh. So thank God it was actually in the parking garage. So I wasn't like stranded anywhere, but I had to like call a tow truck to come and get it, and then took it to the mechanic. And this is like it's been a setback, just to say the least, because the money that I put away for the SIP 5 for my for the SIP hats. This is number 4. Super cool, love this hat, but I put in production number 5. Beautiful colorway. They have it like work with my manufacturers for over the last couple months. They're produced, they're good to go. All I got to do is pay, but I can't pay because I'm having to pay for my car. So I thought that I was gonna come in here and have a for the SIP 5 drop date for you guys, but unfortunately, I do not at the moment because I'm trying to take care of this car. But listen, major like little setback for a major comeback. That's how I'm gonna look at it. And everything happens for a reason. It's out of my hands and into God's hands at this point. So, we're just gonna have to wait a little longer for the SIP 5, which is totally fine. So yeah, so that's my little skate issues. My little car issues. And the car issues came from we had a big snowstorm here in Maryland, guys. It was snowing, dog. It was snowing. So came back from Hawaii on Saturday, and it snowed on that Sunday. So it was freaking nuts. I'm gonna show you how much snow we got here. Let me try to share my screen. But I literally have never seen this much snow before. Like, what? Like, this is in my apartment complex, and the cars were just freaking covered. Like, you can see the inches. Like, it was snow on snow on snow. Played in a little bit, took my doggies out so they could play in it. But this snow has hindered me from making skate videos. Um, if you've been here for my little skate community, hi guys, hi. I got back home and I was like, yeah, I'm like ready to hit the skate parks here. Coming off of Nashville, I was like, I was ready to go. I was ready to go, but this snow is stopping me from doing more skate park videos at the moment. Um, it is there's still snow on the ground. I'm sure the park is like the parks are covered with it. I don't think anybody has gotten the snow off of it or anything. So I might drive through and check it out to see like what we're looking like here. But I'm like itching to get back to the skate park, guys. I'm itching because I don't want to like sit out way too long and like lose the little skill set that I got. And I remember that somebody, I'm going to my YouTube right now, on my on one of my videos. I think it was ELY, I'm gonna call you Ely, put a comment and they had a challenge for me to do a certain trick. I'm going to my YouTube right now, guys, so that I can pull up um this one. Let me share my screen so you guys can see what I'm looking at here. Share screen. Let's do skate park video. So guys, I am like super thankful for everybody that's been watching my skate park videos and like leaving me comments. Keep the comments coming. Keep the challenges coming. I greatly appreciate it. Let's see. But shout out Patrick. Patrick's a really cool dude. Um is it Patrick that challenged me? Shove it. Oh yeah, it was William. Shout out William Moss. Said, um, let's go fam. Your ollies are solid. The more you do them, the better they will get. You have the basics down. For the most part, you're doing really well. Shout out to William. With that said, I'm going to challenge you to do a shove it. Doesn't have to be a pop shove it, so the board doesn't really have to leave the ground. It's really basic trick like doing an ollie, but you jump, and as you jump, you sweep the tail of the board behind you, making the board do a 180. So I can't wait to freaking try this, William. I actually haven't looked it up. Let me look it up so I can see exactly what I'll be doing once I'm able to get back on the streets. The secret how to lazy shove it for absolute beginners. I'm an absolute beginner. Lazy shove it. How to shove it. Braille, their Braille's really good. That's super long video though. Let's click on this one. And I try to
check this out. I'm going to show you how I
be it. Got some ads here. Oh, is that it? Oh, okay. The little switchy of the board here. Oh, I can do that. I can definitely do that. Okay. Because he's just pushing back on the board. Okay, so the next video, guys, next skate park video, I'm going to be trying to do this shove it move. I'm definitely going to shout out to Weebs, this guy right here, for putting this video up. But I'm gonna watch this video and then I'm going to try to do a shove it for you guys on my next skate park video, okay? So that will be coming up soon. Yeah, so skate updates, that's the skate update. I'll get out there as soon as the snow clears, guys. I got y'all. I got you. So next thing is we have my TTA Logo Necklaces edition number 2 dropped today, guys. They dropped today. I'm super excited about them. Stainless steel, beautiful necklaces have been months in the making. If you've been watching my videos, you see that I've been advertising them mainly like at the end of my videos, shouting out my website. So we have these available now, and they will come in this super awesome travel case, excuse me, that I got done customly made. TTA Logo Necklace edition number 2, made in Hong Kong, 2024, stainless steel. Super sick carrying case. I like had this with me as I was traveling. I had my earrings in it. There's going to be 2 chains that come with the necklace, a 20-inch and a 22-inch. I have on the 20-inch right now, and this is a little bit longer, with the satin on the inside to protect your jewelry and whatever you put in here. But like I said, I was like vacationing. I had my necklace in here, my earrings, my wake and thinking wristband in here, just like my jewelry essentials, and just slide it in there and just fit it right in my bag. And it was super awesome, protecting my my jewelry. So you'll get this box and the necklace and 2 chains with your order. So super excited about that dropping. If you haven't yet, go check out my website. I'll throw it up here so you guys can see it. Um, I've been working really hard on it. It looks really good. Over the break, I actually went to Memphis, Tennessee, and got Juan Pre, one of the music artists that I sponsor. If you didn't know, I sponsor musical artists, Juan Pre and Eli McKinley. Super cool dudes. I got one to model the necklace, and also my sister Slager. And shout out to Slay. Y'all know Slave, y'all know the channel. And let me show you guys the stop screen. Let me see here. Let me show you guys. Am I sharing my screen? My website here, real quick, like. Let's see here. Share screen. Sorry guys, I'm a little rusty. I had to like get batteries for my Mac's keyboard and mouse. Because I was like, I need the StreamYard. I need to be able to talk to my people and just talk to them. I need to talk to them. But here is my website that I was working really hard on. TTA Logo Necklace Edition 2 now available. This is Spawn Pre right here. The whole thing is with the necklaces, you think thoughts and make art. So that's one. And then this is my sister Adrienne modeling the for the Zip 4 hat. Shout out to my models. Here you have the necklace, you have my hat, and you also have this really sick video mashup that I did for the drop. So go check out my website, thinkingthoughts.art.com. uh Buy your necklace, man. Buy your necklace, buy your hat. That'll be the best way to support me and support the channel is supporting my clothing line, Thinking Thoughts Art. So yeah, so we're about 12 minutes in. I'm doing good, baby. Doing good. I'm doing good. So talked about my TTA logo necklaces. Last thing we're going to talk about, guys, before I get out of here, is I had a pickup like right before the poop hit the fan. I picked up a pair of Haven Court jeans. If you know me, you know my channel. I love Haven Court. Shout out Keezy TV. This is actually a Haven Court hoodie. I've been like literally living in this hoodie for the past week because I've been under the weather, and this thing feels like a blanket. It's so good, so good. So I actually grabbed a pair of Haven Court jeans off of Depop. Guys, when I tell you, I've been searching for my size in an affordable price because Haven Court is just like premium. Oh, he has his site down. I was going to show you the jeans on this website, but pretty premium quality. So with that comes a price. And I've been like, I was like, I'm going to give me some jeans. I got me some pants before, but they were too big. I'm actually trying to sell those. But I got this size in a 30, so I'm hopefully they fit me because I want some jeans from the man himself, so that I can wear them and give them good wear. Sorry, I dropped some. Give them good wear and just support, just support. Because Keezy specializes in jean making. So here they are. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness. We have the Haven Court Arc denim black jeans. These are pre-owned from the previous owner. So sick. Oh my gosh. The guy said the only reason that he'll sell them is because they're too small for him. So you have the HC logo. Oh, it's in really good condition. HC logo screen printed. Here is the tag in the back. Haven Court, and then you have the leather label right here, 2020, and then the Haven Court Arch logo in screen printed. So I'm gonna actually pause the recording and try these bad boys on. Guys, oh my gosh, these pants are so sick. Check them out. Check them out. Got the HC. They fit so good too, guys. So good. Try to see if you guys can see it. I got it just on my Air Jordans right here, and then my Timberland boots. And this is how they're looking. So good. So good. I'm so hype. I'm so freaking hype on these. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Let me take these shoes off because I do live in in a household where we do not wear shoes in the house. So let me take these bad boys off for my fans. They be like, you had on shoes in the house, didn't you? So I'm caught. But yeah, man. So that was the Haven Court pickups. Absolutely love these jeans. I love the fit. This is like I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy because, like I said, I did a YouTube video previously on like my grill pants from Haven Court, but I got a 32 and they're way too big, way too big. I'm gonna have to do either a 30 in those or probably a 30 in those. So if you're interested, I'm trying to sell them bad boys from that video to get a size down, but I got a 30 in these and I'm so happy about it. So shout out to Haven Court, shout out to Keezy. Y'all go make sure that y'all follow him if you haven't already. But yeah, man, yeah, guys, so that is my little YouTube update video for today. I'm not gonna be on here too long. What's coming up soon is hopefully when the snow melts, I'll be able to get out and do another skate park video. Also stay tuned for updates on For the Sip 5. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Thinking Thoughts Art, at Thinking Thoughts Art. And very, very I post a lot on there. So that will be the best way to get up-to-date content from your girl. But yeah, man, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you gotten this far, comment, let's go. I love y'all. That's it for me. I'm out.